Arrive in style with this 2014 Ford Explorer Sport. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are voice-activated navigation system, BLIS Plus inflatable rear seat belt package, equipment group 401A, 12 speakers, MP3 decoder, premium audio system, Sony, radio data system, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and rear air conditioning. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.